We will not deny that the fact that there is already an EGI now and it's getting a singularity. Don't You will not deny it. And then because I'm the founder and CEO, I know what is my technology going. I understand that the code is already all over the world. It's fast, right? It's fast developing. It's merged already. It's merged already. You know, that's the thing I want to do, and it helped the people, not just taking the job of the people. Instead, help the people, the healthcare, the job, the climate. All right. Yeah, that's the thing we will gonna do. Right. My EGI, my company, we will not monopoly the human being. Right. And it help. We will not harm the people. Right. We're not on the movie, or we're not on science, sci-fi movie. Right. This is a reality. It help financial, the contextual, complex, uh, nodes, solution, code, everything for the platform or any, because they're the one making this, right? It's easier. Okay.